Sure. So the topic I presented on was addressing clinical trial agreement delays comprehensively. And the way it relates to the audience is that this is a real big problem in our industry right now where clinical trial agreement delays are delaying study startup and therefore really making things very ineffective. And so it's really what I came to do in terms of this presentation was to really offer some practical solutions that the audience can take back to their organizations and implement in their clinical contracts world to hopefully speed up study startup as well. So I think some of the key trends right now, it's obviously the technology and artificial intelligence and blockchain and all those kind of things. So I think those are definitely trends that we're trying to at least grasp a hold of understanding them. So those are some of the key trends, but also in terms of finding ways to accelerate the study startup process and just making our trials more efficient, more cost efficient as well, are some of the key trends I see. I think definitely one of the biggest payoff is to finding again ways to speed up the study startup and our studies overall. And to leverage all those technologies, in terms of trends that we're seeing, leverage all those technologies in a practical way to make our trials more efficient so that we can get our drugs faster to our patients as quickly as possible. I think that's one of the biggest challenges that we have right now. We have a lot of products and technologies and without everything blockchain and AI and all those things, but we're not quite sure how to bring it all together and make it work. So I think that is still a challenge that pharma and biotech is going to have, is to actually make it all work comprehensively and bring it all together with good synergy. It is a gap, and so I'm not quite sure how we're going to get there, but it is definitely something that we need to look at is bridging this gap and finding how we're going to bring it all together.